Beautiful. Resin art, with its mesmerizing fluidity and endless creative possibilities, has taken the world by storm. But beyond the captivating aesthetics lies a treasure trove of benefits, both creative and practical. Creative freedom. Unleash your inner artist. Skill levels, from curious beginners to seasoned artists. Its versatility allows for boundless experimentation and expression. Express your unique style. Whether you favor abstract swirls, intricate florals, or detailed landscapes, resin offers a canvas to translate your vision into reality. Embrace the unexpected. The unpredictable nature of resin can lead to happy accidents, fostering creativity and discovering unexpected beauty. Personalization. Turn memories into tangible treasures. Preserve cherished photographs, flowers, or other mementos within the crystal clear resin, creating a lasting reminder of special moments. Create unique gifts. Give the gift of personalized art. Embed initials, names, or special messages within your resin creations for a truly thoughtful touch. Transform everyday objects. Upcycle old furniture, coasters, or trays with resin, adding a unique and functional touch to your home decor. Durability and functionality. Long-lasting beauty. Once cured, resin boasts remarkable durability, resisting scratches, water damage, and fading, ensuring your creations retain their vibrant colors for years to come. Protective coating. Preserve artwork, photographs, or other keepsakes by coating them in resin, providing lasting protection against dust, moisture, and wear and tear. Functional art. Create stunning coasters, trays, jewelry, or even countertops that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical for everyday use. Therapeutic benefits. Mindfulness and relaxation. The repetitive and meditative process of creating resin art can be incredibly calming, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Stress relief. The act of creation can be a powerful tool for reducing stress and anxiety, allowing you to escape the everyday hustle and bustle. Sense of accomplishment. Witnessing your vision come to life can be incredibly rewarding, boosting self-confidence and a sense of accomplishment. Environmental impact. Eco-friendly options available. Choose eco-friendly resin from bio-based materials to minimize your environmental impact. Upcycling and